How to send disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now, go to any chat and tap the camera icon at the bottom. Then capture the photo you want by tapping the shutter. You will see the option 1, so tap on it to continue. It will set it to view once for a one-time photo. After that, tap the send icon to send it. It allows them to view your photo only once and disappear after viewing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.